Hey, everybody. Okay, I said 7 o'clock, which I thought was past my eating time because I do intermittent eating, but I have an hour, so I have until 8 o'clock. So I'm actually right on time. So here we go. Another quick tip, and then you guys probably won't see me doing a quick tip till in the next couple days. That might not be true. Maybe tomorrow. Anyway, welcome to Le Cordon Quarantine. Ha. So today, I had some leftover chicken breasts that I made the other day. And you know, you can get chickened out and you're like, So let's think of what we can do. Simple again for y'all that are home. You might not know how to cook really good and you got kids. So what I did was I took my chicken breast, I prepped ahead of time so you know it's not taking forever. So what I did was I did cut them up. It was some big fat chicken breasts, and I normally don't like white meat. I like dark meat. But in this case we have chicken breasts. So I cut them up like in little cubes, okay? And we're gonna do pasta. That's easy, simple. Get you some pasta, whatever you have. Spaghetti, angel hair, fettuccine. I have fettuccine. That's what I have. That was what was in the damn pantry, and that's what I'm using. So whatever pasta you have in there, even if it's bow tie, rigatoni, whatever, pasta. So have your chicken breasts, leftover chicken, or even if it's not chicken breasts, cut your chicken up, cut them up into small pieces. I had my pasta going before I came on because it takes a minute, so about maybe 20 minutes or so for the pasta. But I also have, we're going to add a little healthy, some broccoli that I also had cooking. So that is there, and you don't want it to be mushy. You want it to still have a nice green color and not be all mushy, so that it still tastes good. So I don't know if you guys can see this. So there, see, hot. So that looks pretty good. I'm spilling stuff. So here's the trick for the pasta I'm going to show y'all. I taught this to my son when he went to go live with his dad when he was in high school. And he regretted it. And so I'm going to show you how to season your pasta. The way... Girl, you know I like dark meat. The way, if you season your pasta like this, I kid you not, you're not going to need no spaghetti sauce. There's no spaghetti sauce being used in this. You're not going to need a spaghetti sauce. So I'm going to show you guys and make sure I have the right thing. Okay, so let me get my strainer. All right, so here's the pasta right here. I'm going to take it off. I need it to drain. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in the colander. Hold on. Get it all up in there. Now, of course, I learned from my mama, so when I do my pasta, I put a little teeny bit of salt, but I also put a little teeny bit of vegetable oil so it doesn't stick that much. So, I'm going to put this, I'm doing this like this so you guys can see. So, it's in the colander. While it's in the colander, I'm about to show y'all some of my little seasoning secrets. So, of course, little extra virgin olive oil, not a lot. So, while it's hot, so it can stick to the pasta. So, a little bit of this. What up? Shut up, girl. And I'm about to show y'all my seasoning. If you're a woman or a man and you don't know how to season shit so it tastes good, I'm telling you now, use this seasoning and you don't have to use nothing else. If y'all have followed me before, y'all know I live by this. This is Badia. You heard it, Badia. Complete seasoning. It has everything in here you need. Garlic, black pepper, everything. And it makes everything taste good. I haven't put it in my eggs, just to let y'all know. So, we're going to take some of this, and we're going to sprinkle it on the pasta. Okay? I got a lot of pasta in there, so it looked like a lot, but it's not. But here is the damn secret that you wouldn't think. Cumin. Yes, it adds a flavor to your pasta that is like, I don't know what. But don't use a lot because it is a little strong. So I'm going to sprinkle a little bit on my pasta. And then go ahead and mix it all up. Mix your pasta up, mix your noodles up. Try to get it all coated with the seasoning and the olive oil. So do all that. Get it looking all nice and wet. Y'all locked in. Don't be thinking nothing about what I'm saying. Don't be trying to make, double entendres and all that kind of stuff. So mix it up in your pasta so your pasta is covered with it. All right. Now we're getting ready to transfer. So now I'm going to turn on this front. I meant to have this front stove on. And we're going to put it in a flat, yes, complete seasoning is the shiznick. But do you need to pay me for this? So now we're going to put it in this type of pan. We're going to put the pasta. Okay, it's fully drained. Put it on up in here. I'm going to switch this to the back stove, so burner, so you guys can see. Give me 2 hot shakes. I ain't got an assistant, so I got to do this myself. I'm trying to make this quick. All right, so now the pasta is in here. And so what we're going to do is make sure that's off. That's on. It's warming up. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait before I do that. I'm not using no spaghetti sauce. Rotel, baby. You can do mild, medium, or hot. I'm going to be mild today. So now you hear it starting to sizzle. I'm throwing the Rotel in here. I'm going to just use my tongs to mix this on up in here. And you're not going to have to cook it long because the pasta has already been cooked. And the pasta is already seasoned. Oh, look at that, y'all. I don't know if y'all can see that, but look. Look. Why you hate me, Dion? Don't be hating, sister. Don't hate the player. Hate the game. All right? What we going to add? Got to add a little something to it. Kids may not like it, but whatever. Add it on in there. It's going to taste good. Add the broccoli, which you have already cooked. So you're just putting all this stuff together. I ain't wasting no broccoli, and my stove is clean. So I dropped a piece, and I put it in here, whatever. So, oh, yeah. Cumin is the bomb. Cumin adds, people sleep on that bad boy. I always keep that in my arsenal of seasonings. So my trainer said I had to eat friggin' vegetables with all my damn meals every day. So I don't think I had any today. I don't even remember what I ate. It's been that kind of day. So I'm adding all the broccoli, which is still hot because I left it soaking in the water. And we just going to let this kind of simmer here for a moment. But we're going to put Mr. Chicken on up in there too now. Can't miss putting the chicken on up in there. Boy, who am I going to feed with this? Because this going to last me quite a bit of time. Because, geez Louise, this made a lot more than I thought. I guess some of my homegirls that live in my building might be lucking up and getting some dinner. So we're going to put this in here and let the chicken cook a little. It's already been cooked. It's just leftover chicken, but just let it kind of heat up with the broccoli and the pasta and the Rotel tomatoes. Now, if you want to throw some spaghetti sauce in here, you can. But why ruin that? Look. That looks so good. Look. Yes, you are going to get you a man with this recipe, honey. He might do a little something. He might buy your fettuccine for you. I don't know, Catfish. I don't know. I don't know about that one. But yes, this is, he'll think your ass know how to cook. You make something like this. Girl, child cheese. But I don't know, because then he going to be wanting to come over. You need to be worth it if he going to be trying to be a repeat come over. Better be worth cooking it for him. They get spoiled now. I ain't got time, Dion, to be teaching you every day. Oh yeah, it is, and it smells so good. It smells so friggin' good. So if you leave this on here, just let it simmer just so the chicken can get, and you know, it's Italian. So you know what? Let's add a little oregano. Just to make it smell good. Look at that, y'all. Golly, look. Oh my gosh. So I'm a cheese chick. I hate you too. But yet, I'm over here with this pot of damn pasta and chicken. Ha ha. Where you at? Mm-hmm. Got your peanut butter and jelly ready? Anyway, so this is what it looks like. I'm a cheese chick. I'm a cheese chick. So I'm going to throw in just little pieces of mozzarella just so it can slightly melt. You don't have to, because I also have Parmesan that I'm going to probably sprinkle on this when it's done. I'm bougie, so I have some fresh Parmesan that I got from my crozier behind me. And I'm going to let this just simmer and melt a little bit, you know, give it a little ooey gooey. You know, kids like cheese. I like cheese. And once that's melted and it gets all nice and ooey gooey, then you can just plate it on up. I'm going to let that simmer for a hot second. So then you can just plate it on up. Mozzarella doesn't take long. Ooh, wow. This is really smelling good, y'all. Really. Really looks good. I'll have to take the camera down off the whatchamacallit so you guys can really get a good look at this. So you can see how it's looking. I gotta try to do this the right way. Make sure that ain't on, break the plate. So yeah, this is just, I don't know if you guys can see that. Can y'all see that? Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. So then I'm going to leave it on a little bit. Oh yeah, there's the mozzarella right there. Oh yeah. Put a little bit of this on the plate here. Get some chicken. Get some broccoli. If you're feeding this to kids, make sure it's a couple pieces of broccoli up in there, because they'll try to pick out the broccoli. You know how they are. Some adults too. So I'm going to let that melt a little bit more. But then we got this. Take a little bit of the Parmesan. Sprinkle a little bit more of that on top of that. If you want to be all fancy, you know, you need a written recipe. All right, hey, I ain't got no problems. I'll put it in. I found out this thing about Facebook. They have a note section. So I'll put it in a note, and then you guys can go to the notes when I post it, and you can see the recipe. So I'm going to try to take y'all off my thing right now so y'all can see what it looks like. Hold on, hold on. Bear with me. I'm doing this bootleg and trying not to break my whatchamacallit. Let me try to see if I can switch it around. And there you go, y'all. Look at that. Look at that. And I'm going to tell you, between cooking the pasta, which I started about 6:40, it's now 7:15. So it's not that much time that it takes for you to make this dish. So again, get you some fettuccine, some leftover chicken, some broccoli, some Rotel tomatoes, and some mozzarella and some Parmesan cheese, and there you go. And look how much it made. It made a lot. So you actually can have this tonight, have it for a little lunch tomorrow. If you got a house full of folks, it'll feed damn near everybody, unless they're greedy. And if my croissants were ready, I would throw one of those on the plate. So I hope you guys enjoyed this Le Cordon Quarantine episode. And I will be back with you guys later on in the week. And I will post the notes. Hey, Hazel, I will post it in the notes so you can know exactly what seasonings and everything that I use. So y'all take care. Stay safe. Stay clean hands. Stay 6 feet. Stay your asses in the house if you don't need to be out. Peace out. Check y'all later.